Piliin ang taong kaya kang alagaan, hindi lang yung marunong magsabi ng mahal kita. Kapag convenient, because love isn't about always chasing someone. Kung paulit-ulit kang umiiyak sa taong paulit-ulit kang sinasaktan. That's not love. That's emotional damage disguised as affection. Don't stay where you have to beg for attention. Don't fight for someone who doesn't even notice you're breaking. Minsan, ang tunay na pagmamahal, di yan dapat ipaglalaban. Kasi kung totoo, hindi mo kailangang habulin. Toxic love isn't love. It's a habit. At kahit gaano mo pa siya kamahal, kung sarili mo na ang nawawala, bitawan mo na. Piliin ang sarili. Because healing starts when you walk away from what keeps breaking you.